Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make dual connection using your headphones Urbanista Phoenix Solar. And right here we have a phone what connected with the headphones and the phone who not connected with the headphones. So on your second device open settings, go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android, and right here we should pairing them. So they automatically enter to pairing mode because they can connect to devices at the same time. So just click on it at the device list. And right now, as you can see, we have two devices connected to the headphones, without disconnected, without unpairing. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.